5 Python one-liners. Discover 5 magical one-liners in Python that solve everyday problems with clear and concise code. Perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. This one-liner uses list comprehension to filter even numbers from 0 to 9. It loops through each number and only includes it if it is divisible by 2. The print statement outputs the list of even numbers. This code reverses the string Python using slicing. The -1 slice notation instructs Python to start from the end to the beginning, effectively reversing the string. This one-liner joins a list of strings into a single comma-separated string. The join method efficiently concatenates the items with a comma and space, making it ideal for creating readable lists. Here, dictionary comprehension maps numbers to their squares in just one line. It iterates over a range and assigns each number as a key with its square as the value, demonstrating the power of one-liners to create dictionaries. This snippet uses a lambda function with map to convert each word in a list to uppercase. It's a compact way to apply a function over a list, giving you a new list with all words in uppercase. In this video, we covered 5 Python one-liners that feel almost magical due to their simplicity and power. Whether filtering lists, reversing strings, joining items, creating dictionaries, or mapping functions, these snippets show that Python lets you accomplish a lot in very little code. Happy coding!